Who's he again?
My cousin, Miguel.
What's your name? Miguel. My cousin Miguel.
You gotta be kidding me.
Back to school.
Well, actually, we can't. Boyd and I are incredibly and unbelievably sick.
What? Brain damage? What is that, a book?
No, it's a laptop. Century are you living in? Whoa. You're not going in there.
I'm taking my hand out.
Hey, Miguel. By the way, one more thing. You know what that was for.
What?
Shut up. Don't be such a sour wolf.
Aren't you supposed to be in school?
And honestly, isn't bisecting people with the broadsword a little medieval?
Broadsword? We're not savages.
Did you cut off your head? I'm gonna cut off your head.
Okay, big guy, let's see it. Let's see that fist. Big old fist. Take it. Come on. Get it out there. Don't be scared.
Sorry. Or I'm gonna rip this right out. My teeth.
Maybe it's less frightening if they...
We don't like you.
Guessing the ability to use sarcasm is a good sign of health.
Bro, sorry, but Bloody Beetroots doesn't take requests.
I'll take mine.
Someone certainly enjoys making an entrance.
Do you think this is gonna work?
Nope.
Miguel, what'd you say your last name was again?
It's Juarez.
Cinqua. Diablo.
How did you do that?
I'm the alpha.
Haven't you noticed what a downer he is?
Hi.
No sense of humor, poor conversationalist.
Did you notice that I'm paralyzed from the neck down at 8 feet of water? You think Styles, skinny, defenseless Styles, is the Nagitsu?
So your sister. Sorry, guys. It's bad timing, I'm sorry. I'll ask later. It's fine.
Or never.
Yeah, maybe never. Don't trust him. Yeah, well, he doesn't trust you either.
And Derek really doesn't care.
Okay, alright, give me a sample. What are you gonna open with? Dead silence. That should look beautiful. Any other ideas?
Hablo español. No soy nativo, sino que pasé un montón de tiempo.
Just him offer me. I'm about punching the moon again.
Can we just...
Shut up.